I know you could use some extra money, so I'm going to show you how I made over $1,000 in just one day. And the video is going to be under 5 minutes. So I suggest you stay tuned. You did. What is good, beautiful people? It is your boy, The Session. Today is a beautiful day. I'm proud of you. If nobody told you, I don't really care where you're from, how you look, what your gender. I don't give a damn. I'm proud of you. And I'm going to show you how I made a play this weekend to make over $1,000. I've been doing these over the last few months. And this video is going to be about 5 minutes long. I want to tell y'all how you could do it, and you don't have to spend a whole lot of time watching it. So what you need to understand is you need to hit the like button, subscribe button, and let's get into it. So the first thing you're going to need to do is have some sort of skill, okay? Now, if you have a skill, so let's say a lot of you work a 9 to 5. If you work a 9 to 5, you take the skills that you learn at that 9 to 5, right? And then now you can offer those same skills at freelance. So if you already have a job, let's say you're security, right? Let's say you're, I don't know, a graphic designer. Let's say you do some of that shit already at your job, right? You put those services on Fiverr.com, Upwork.com, Yelp.com, and then people can see and search for those services, or Thumbtack. There's plenty of things, TaskRabbit, there's plenty of things you can post your work on or find work, and then those things can come to you passively. So you could just be doing your normal day, like I've been doing, figuring out my business strategy, kind of shifted over, been growing on TikTok and getting back in the swing on YouTube, like you see. So now what I've done is I use Yelp to start getting some payments, and I'll post some of the payments across the screen here. You'll see that I was able to use Yelp because what I do is I'm a private chef. You see I'm still the first ranked chef in the Bay, and I don't even cook often. I only take clients that align with me. So clients where the energy seems right, or they want to offer a certain amount of money, you know, i.e. $1,000 or more, I'm able to accept those clients because I'm having passive income through having skills. Now, when you use the job that you have as a skill, it could be a job you had in the past, you worked something with your parents. I don't give a damn what you do, but offer that service on one of these different platforms and just continue to live life. And then if the people aren't coming to you with any traction, Yelp, for example, has ads that you can get. You can pay for Yelp ads and they'll promote you. You can do $5 a day, $10 a day, whatever your budget is. I don't even have ads running and people still find me just based off of the reviews. So as you build your rapport, you get one client, do your best. Everything you do your best. You got a job right now, Target, Walmart, wherever you're working at, do your best. You could still do this too if you work at, you know, somewhere that you think isn't a cubicle or isn't work like. If you work at Target, wherever you work, a warehouse, you can use those skills to do moving furniture. You can help organize things. You can help put things together. There's always a way to make some paper. So what I did was I used Yelp because I had a service to offer. You got the service, you got the platform, and then what I'm going to need you to do is develop a rapport. And the only way to develop a rapport is to use your social media. And that's exactly what I did. So you use your social media, your TikToks, your Instagram, your YouTube, just like you're watching here, Twitter, whatever you use. There's a million apps you can use now. Think Social, Getter, Rumble, all sorts of shit. So you need to use those to your advantage and get in front of the people. My favorite right now is TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Those get me in front of the most eyes, and I feel like it's free advertising. It's very organic. So you can build the rapport by getting in front of people. Now you're going to have to become known as something. So keep making content around whatever topic it is. So mine was cooking. So I made content around cooking. Now I'm making content around health, consciousness, and manifestation. So now I'm still able to tap into the people who like food or want to know about food or want to know about healthy living because I'm tying it all together. You have to use social media to your benefit. Don't just be on here swiping and doing crazy shit. So as you see on the screen, I was able to make that over $1,000. Shout out to my client. Thank you, lady. I'm very grateful, very appreciative. Many blessings to you. Anytime you need some snacks or some food, holla at me. So this is just another way you can offer your services or job-like skills that you already have to make some money passively when you want. And if you don't have the audience, you can always pay for some ads. Dig me? So this is the boy, The Session. Let me know what y'all thought of the video below. Drop some comments. Drop a like on the video too. And these videos are going to be coming every week because now I have the results to show. You know, now I can post things on the screen and show, hey, here's how I did this. Here's how I was able to do this here, etc. You know, thank you for the 100,000 on TikTok. I'm very grateful, man. It's the first time I ever did 100,000 on any platform. in my life, but I know we got more to go, more to come. YouTube 100K is coming. I'm manifesting it. I believe in this shit, and we putting action forward. You dig? So that's $1,000 in a day. Man, it feels good to cook. You know what I mean? And for those of you who are wondering, it took me about 5 hours of total time. And it wasn't like I had to cook it all there. I prepped some before. So use the skills you have to make you a bag. Let's work smarter, not harder. Until next time, people, stay lit, stay awesome, stay healthy. You dig.